Good day, Miss. I am C. Mercy Velasco, student nurse from Mata Doctors College. So today, I'm going to demonstrate the oxygen administration procedure. Assess the patient's respiratory rate and level of consciousness. Oxygen depletion would decrease the respiratory rate, mental status, and elevates partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Determine the current arterial blood gas if available. Post no smoking sign on a patient's door and in view of patients and visitors. So, oxygen supports combustion. So, there is always danger of fire when oxygen is used. So, this is my no smoking sign and I'm going to post it in the door. Show nasal cannula to the patient and explain the procedure. An explanation relieves the apprehension and promotes cooperation. Good day, sir. So, can you state your name and birthday age po, sir?
I am Kim Ryan Trinidad, 42 years old.
Thank you, sir. So, today, sir, I am si Ms. V. Velasco, student nurse from Mata Doctors College po. So, today, I'm going to administer oxygen for you, sir, to able to breathe normally po, sir. Is it okay for you, sir?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, this is our nasal cannula. This one. So, first, this, wait, wait. This tape connector tube, we're going to put it here, and this one, the cannula, the nasal cannula, and we're going to insert on your nose, sir. So can you please operate me, sir?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Make sure that the humidifier is filled with the appropriate mark. So, if the humidifier is not sufficiently full, less moisture will be delivered. So, na-check naman ako ni siya. So, okay na. So, check the oxygen tank by turning on the regulator gauge to determine the amount of oxygen. So, mo na siya ang i-on na to para magkakuan na ang oxygen. Yan siya. So, attach the connecting tube from the cannula to the humidifier outlet. So, oxygen forced through the water and humidifier to prevent dehydration of mucous membrane. So, now, we're going to put this connecting tube here. Insert it. So, set the flow rate at the prescribed liters per minute. Fill to determine if the oxygen is flowing through the tips of cannula. So, approximately, oxygen concentration delivered by nasal cannula are 1 liter is equal to 24%, 2 liters is equal to 28%, and 3 liters is equal to 32%, and the 5 liters is 40%. Place the tip of cannula in the patient's nose. Fasten the tubing around the patient's head or behind the ear. Position the cannula so that the tips do not extend more than 2.5 centimeter or inch into the nares. So correct the placement and fastener that facilitates oxygen administration and comfort for the client. Sir, pwede na ba kumugunit, sir? Kaya ang kaning kanila nato, sir, i-insert na nato si mga sir, ha? Kaya, sir? Okay, sir. Adjust the flow rate prescribed rate. Encourage the client to breathe through his nose with his mouth closed. Sir, karon sir, mag-breathe ta, sir, using your nose po, sir. Kaning, like, close lang atong baba, sir. So, mag-breathe ta, sir, ha? So, follow lang sa ako, sir. Okay? So, inhale, hold, exhale. Again, sir. Inhale, hold, exhale. Okay, sir. Thank you. So, determine the patient's comfort with oxygen use. So, flow rate is excess of 41 per minute lead to air swallowing and cause irritation to nasal pharyngeal mucosa. So, sir, kung sa man mga kuan, sir, like maka-breathe ba, ay makaginhawa ba kagtarong, sir, dili ba ka kaning basic dili ka comfortable, sir, ba? Okay ra si mga sir, comfortable ra ba ka, sir?
It's fine. I will comfortable with it.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, record the flow rate used and patient's response. That would be the end of my return demonstration. Thank you.